Here is my Comfort Zone box fan with metal blade. However, the metal blade is not original to the fan, although I wish Comfort Zone would have done that. Fortunately, they did not. I put that fan blade in there from one of my high velocity fans, Impress. So, but it runs very well. I like it so much. I kept it that way. All right, so here we go. Let's run it. Now, you might not be able to hear the airflow. I do hope that you can. The camera usually is good about picking up airflow noise. This is high speed, then we'll power it down to low. Oh, my bad. I guess that was low speed. That is my bad. Okay, so that was low speed. Now this is high speed. That's my bad. And now high speed. The first speed was low. That's my bad. But now we're high speed. As you can see, it's moving a whole lot of wind for its size with that metal blade. I wish they really did bring back metal box fans. With that exact same blade that they put in the 9-inch high velocity fans, they could just put it in these with that exact same type of motor. Shade pole C-frame, and there you go. You got your metal box fan. This is a custom, but let's hope that one day Comfort Zone or other fan makers will actually bring that back. And the spin down time. Got a pretty decent spin down time. The motor is well oiled. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. More fan videos to come. Have a blessed evening. God bless you, and gone.